Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today we want to explore how to use the left function. The left function in Excel is designed to extract a specific number of characters from the beginning, so from the left side of a text string. This function is particularly useful when you need to isolate certain parts of a cell's text content, such as extracting area codes from phone numbers or initials from full names. For example, if you want to get the first three characters of the word hello, you can use the left function and it will return HEL. So as you can see, the left function is straightforward and powerful for text manipulation, enabling users to easily manipulate and restructure data within their spreadsheets. So let's just jump into the sheet. As you can see, the left function belongs to the group text and will return the leftmost characters from a text string. The syntax starts by the left, open parentheses, then the text we want to have the number of characters from, and then we need to specify how many characters we want to have. So yeah, text is a string from which we want to extract the characters, and the number of characters specifies how many characters to return. If we do it for the first row, inside our data, we'll just start by an equal sign, left, open parentheses. Now Excel needs a text. We can give him, for example, this one, and we say, yeah, please return just the first two characters of this text string. So in the best case, it will return CA, which stands for an order coming from Canada. And as you can see in row ID 4, we also have US sometimes. This is for all orders coming from the United States. So we can just hit enter and we see we have CA extracted. We can drag it down, or you can just double click this little friend here in the bottom right corner. And yeah, it worked out perfectly. So we get the first two characters of all the text strings. And now we can also combine the left function, for example, with an if function if we wanted. We can say if, then the logical test, if this left function returns CA, then it's Canada, else it's USA. This is just for our colleagues that maybe don't know where for CA or US stands. So we can just hit enter again. And you can see now we get Canada. We use the left function to get the logical test inside the if function done. So we just said inside the if function, if the left function returns CA, then it's Canada, else it's the USA. We can double click it again and you can see, yeah, it worked out perfectly. So yeah, the left function actually is a pretty good function that you can also use and combine within other functions to get specific text out of a longer string kind of thing. And we can do the same again for the order ID if we want, for example, to have the year of the order, which is inside this and this and this starting at the first character, starting at the fourth character. So 2016 or 2015, 2014. How we do it? We just start by an equal sign followed by left, open parentheses. Then we want our text. And now we have to count the number of characters where the text starts that we want to get. So C will be the first character, A the second, then the minus will be the third, and 2 where it starts will be the fourth. So we just say, yeah, this is the fourth, but we have to say to Excel until which character we want to get it. So it's actually not fourth, it's fifth, sixth, and seventh. So please give it to me until the seventh character, closing the parentheses. And now we see we get to CA minus 2016. So you can just get the text, all the text from the left side until a specific number of characters. And you can now trim this, or you can get rid of the CA, but this will be explained in another video. Or you can just use the if function again to get rid of it, or you can split it by the minus, so you just want to have the last part of it. You can of course do this. You can also use the right function now if you want to just get the year. Yeah, we can just do the right function, and I'll explain other possibilities to do it in another video. So we say, from this text, please give me just the 2016. Now we have to count from the right side. So we have to say, yeah, this is first, second, third, fourth. Give it to me until the fourth, closing the parentheses, hitting enter, and now we get our years that we wanted to get originally. I hope you liked this video, you find it helpful. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next one.